In this lesson from Hoteltutor.com, we will learn how to set up a business center in your hotel to make sure guests are taken care of efficiently. Even though business centers are not busy these days, they can still bring in a good amount of money for some hotels. So, it's important to know how to manage it well. When a guest wants to use the meeting room in the business center, you need to make sure the room is available and set up for business right away. After a guest leaves, clean up the business center immediately so it's ready for the next person. Ask the housekeeping team to clean the space, restock the pantry, and add new stationery. It's a good idea to have a checklist to make sure you have everything you need in the stationery kit. Check all the equipment the guests use, like the projector, screen, and telephones, to make sure they work. If something is not working, ask the engineering team to fix it immediately. Check the Wi-Fi speed and change passwords if needed. Also, make sure you have a menu for food and beverages. This can help the hotel make more money during meetings. If you don't have a menu, work with the chef and manager to plan one. Besides the meeting room, the business center might offer other services like printing boarding passes or photocopying. Make sure all the equipment works, and have a price list for these services ready to show guests when they ask. Also keep the place clean and dust-free. While the business center might not bring in a ton of money for the hotel, it's still an important service for guests. By following these steps, you'll be all set to take care of your hotel guests who use business center.